I am playing football. I am reading a book. I am watching TV. I am drinking tea. I am eating rice. I am learning English. I am going to school. I am writing a letter. I am sleeping now. I am studying hard. You are playing cricket. You are writing notes. You are opening the door. You are closing the window. You are cleaning your room. You are washing your hands. You are brushing your teeth. You are helping your mother. You are laughing loudly. You are talking a lot. He is playing football. He is singing a song. He is reading the newspaper. He is listening to music. He is driving a car. He is riding a bike. He is eating breakfast. He is working in the office. He is running fast. He is sitting in the garden. She is watching cartoons. She is writing a story. She is cooking food. She is drawing a picture. She is painting a wall. She is dancing beautifully. She is studying English. She is singing well. She is walking to school. She is playing piano. We are playing games. We are learning new words. We are seeing the stars. We are looking at the moon. We are enjoying the rain. We are going shopping. We are buying fruits. We are eating mangoes. We are drinking milk. We are studying together. They are playing in the park. They are reading books. They are eating meat. They are eating fish. They are drawing pictures. They are buying clothes. They are playing cricket. They are watching TV. They are making noise. They are singing songs. The teacher is teaching English. The baby is crying. The baby is sleeping. The sun is rising. The sun is shining. The birds are flying. The dog is barking. The cat is sleeping. The horse is running. The cow is eating grass. I am going to the mosque. I am going to the shop. I am going to the market. I am going to the playground. I am going to the library. I am going to the hospital. I am going to the garden. I am writing an email. I am watching a movie. I am listening to music. You are traveling now. You are swimming in the pool. You are walking on the road. You are running quickly. You are jumping high. You are eating lunch. You are drinking water. You are waiting for me. You are calling your friend. You are smiling at me. He is talking on the phone. He is reading a story. He is teaching his brother. He is cooking dinner. He is fixing the car. He is painting a picture. He is opening a book. He is closing the door. He is buying toys. He is feeding the birds.